Your CT521b comes included with accessories that you will need when using it. This envelope contains details about your 521b. The annual support agreement shows the products licensed, the duration of support, and customer support contact info. This document, information about the LandForge system, shows the host name of the system and MAC addresses of installed network cards. Next, we have the LandForge license. This shows the duration of your license, the duration of support, and the features that are included in the license. This bag contains antennas. It may also contain 20 decibel fixed attenuators if your system requires them. This is an Ethernet cable for connecting your system to a network testing environment. This is a serial cable which will allow you to interface with the 521b via hardware connection. This is the power adapter for your 521b. Finally, this is your 521b. Here is the power button. The unit will power up automatically once the power is connected. This is where the power adapter goes. This is the Management Ethernet port, or ETH0. It is used for management of the LandForge system. ETH1 and ETH2 are available as traffic generating ports that can be connected to a device or network under test. The COM port is used for connecting a serial cable. These are SMA connectors, where antennas can be attached. We will cover that in our 521b test environment setup video. The 521b includes a label on the top corner and on the bottom edge with identifying information for your system.